Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you guys can easily connect to Wi-Fi on XIAOMI projectors. So first, what you guys can do is go over to the settings. So first, let's go to all settings. Now here, go over to network and internet, and here enable Wi-Fi. Now, as you guys can see, I am connected to a network, but if you guys want to connect to a network you're not connected to, then simply let me forget the network and show you guys. Now for me, there's many available networks. I'll connect to this one. Now all we have to do is just enter the password. So let me quickly do that. Now, as you guys can see here, let me try and connect to the network. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.